Hey guys, it's Aniket and today I am reviewing the APC BX600C UPS. Now this review is a long-term review as I have been using this UPS for 3 years now. So this is the APC BX600C, also known as Back UPS 600. It is available in one color only and currently it is priced at 3,250 Indian rupees on Amazon. The highlighted features of this product are it has a 27 minutes runtime. I will talk about it in detail in the later part. Other features are it has a battery saver mode which is said to increase battery life by 2 times, and it has surge protection, that means it will protect your devices from voltage spikes, and has auto voltage regulation to turn your fluctuating voltage current into a constant voltage current in order to prevent damages and to provide reliable power to your components. Some other things that are to be noticed are it is a 600 VA UPS. VA stands for volt ampere. If calculated in watts, the maximum output is 360 watts. The charging time is 4 to 6 hours and it comes with 2 years of warranty including battery, and it beeps less compared to other UPS. Now let's go through a quick physical overview and then come to its performance part. So the front part is in dual finish, the lower part with the branding is in matte finish, and at the top you get to see a glossy polycarbonate. Here you also get to see the power button and the battery saver button and the charging indicator, and both the buttons are backlit. Plenty of vents are given on both sides to dissipate heat. And at the back you get to see your battery backed up surge protected sockets, few more vents and a 1.2 meter power cable. At the bottom you don't get to see any rubber feeting, but the polycarbonate raised feet get the job done. And lastly, on top you get to see a sticker with customer service number and a warning telling you to always keep it connected to mains and to turn it off when not in use. Here are the exact dimensions and weight of the UPS. Now coming to the performance part, this is a very good UPS. I am getting decent backup times. For 2.5 years I have used these specs with this UPS. And I used to get a backup time of 7 to 8 minutes. And it's pretty decent in my opinion. And later on I upgraded to this. Now these specs are an overkill for this UPS because it goes above 360 watts on full load and the UPS starts beeping and gives signals. But if I don't use it on full load and trim down the settings a bit, I get a backup time of around 3 minutes. Now let's talk about the claim that they make that it has a runtime of 27 minutes. So basically they have also given this on the box itself that they have tested it with an all-in-one PC to achieve this score. And a normal PC will get around 14 minutes of backup time and a performance PC will get around 9 minutes of backup time. So as I mentioned before, that with a PC under 360 watts of power consumption, I was getting decent backup times, that is 7 to 8 minutes of backup time. And therefore I will recommend it for buying if you're searching for a UPS with this much power capacity. Lastly, for the tech geeks, here is the full information about the UPS. The link to this PDF and the buy link will be in the description, so be sure to check them out. And this is it guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video then don't forget to toss a like on the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will be catching you in the next one. Until then, peace out.